Well, happy Friday, y'all. It's about that time. So I'm just out here living my best life while the world burns, and that's just a bonfire to me to read my books. Well, I'm not going to hoard my knowledge, but I'm going to share it with y'all, so wipe those eyes and dry those tears, because we're about to lock in on this one. So when Vaporwave comes up in a conversation, what is the first thing that comes to your mind whenever you think of the aesthetic? I'm going to give you a couple of seconds. Honey, if you guessed Greco-Roman statues, then you would be absolutely correct. So since its inception, these white Greco-Roman marble statues have been the towering figureheads of the Vaporwave genre.
So that's nice, but where are all the black and brown images though? To season our neon aesthetics with a bunch of international flavoring, we have to first do some of the following steps that require some inner and outer work. While Greece and Rome were still in existence, there were civilizations who had their own fascinating and unique ideas about beauty, the human form, and of course spirituality. And contrary to what most historians will tell you, these civilizations were advanced, if not much more advanced than Greece and Rome themselves. Despite these achievements, there is a much profound reason as to why I prefer to use these images as opposed to this one. In a time where body image and politics go hand in hand, the Vaporwave aesthetic was bound to be co-opted by the far right. From the chiseled face to the muscular build, to the imagery of soft, frail, feminine features, it seems as though Greco-Roman body ideals have seeped their way back into the mainstream politic. All this gives our fash bros severe body dysmorphia. Clinging to these ideals for dear life further marginalizes Black and Indigenous bodies as other, further alienating them from the body politic as a whole. So now that we've got that out the way, so how do we get ourselves out of this rut of European beauty standards and echo chambers? Where can we start? Well, if you still like that Western classical style, look no further than the Moorish statues that you will find all over Western Europe. This is a light nudge in the right direction in terms of using black imagery and Vaporwave. If that's a little too Orientalist for your taste, maybe you want to pursue a more traditionalist route, maybe Benin bronze work or ceremonial masks or carving. But before you do this, before doing so, however, there are a few things you must mindfully take note of. The public domain is king. Research. Appreciate but don't appropriate. There's no space for culture vultures here. Hope y'all were able to learn something today. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. If you're able to, buy your girl a sweet tea. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.